Usembut Menteri Rangba Kajala basnya bhalang dhar ulaong ba kamdei setia ke basngau tenat banya Kdew keti lani banle politik Halor kajing bethei hapar Dewyong hat Thangsko East Giant Hills ha kajing ekran berkilat pathai Khubor ubasnya bhalang ulaong ba ka sorkar ka Jingjia ya kani ka Jingjia batkan penting kena banle da ka bating yagi badan keti ha ka kamti Dewyong bean hadu bala shim ya kajing jengki lai phongot ki brio.
See, this type of incident, yes, it's very unfortunate. I share my condolences to all the affected family. Please remember now, not the time to play politics. It is high time to be actively responsible when such accident is occurred. Yes, you know very well. Incident is very unfortunate, and yes, government is taking very proactive steps. We have sent all the teams to help there, and roughly till yesterday it seemed around 27 bodies have been announced. And now even the SPDC is still on the job for checks. And the only thing from the government side, we won't spare anybody who are involved. We will take actions against them. But anyway, from the government, we are full effort to control. There will be no more illegal mining in future. We are taking our best. So yes, when this unfortunate incidents happen, people blame, but actually it's our collectively responsibility. We have to check, we have to balance, and we have to point them out from the government. We have to take actions directly who are involved against this illegal activity. We are not spare anybody.